Okay, so this is the happy ending update to the saga with the REI Half Dome 2HC craptacular tent. The poles snapped on me while I was camping out in Death Valley. Failed miserably. I lived, but not happily ever after. If you go to the website, you'll see there's a lot of people that have had the same problems. And their solution, despite having a 100% satisfaction guarantee, a lifetime guarantee of satisfaction. Yeah, I don't think I've passed my lifetime yet. Regardless, they refuse to do anything about it. They sent you to a place called Tent Pole something replacements. Nice folks, they do really good work, but it costs more than this thing is worth. I mean, it's still an okay tent. It's got a few seasons left. So something as weak as this, God, I wish I had known these were so weak. Anyway, so let's get to the happy ending. I found these Easton poles. Easton are exceptionally well-made gear. I have some of their poles in my Moss Stardome 2 tent from 1994 that is still going strong. Those are amazing. The only caveat is you need to cut off, what's that, like 9 inches? For this to work. Now, you can find these on eBay. I got 3 of these for $35 with shipping. That's an amazing deal. They're more commonly found around 60. But these are Easton, they're high quality, they're military. They were made in a tent, the ECSW or ECWS, I can't recall. Military tent made by North Face. So these are pretty tough. And all you have to do is lop off 9 inches. You take the pins, you slide it out, cut it, put the pin in, and there you go. You have a solution. Anyway, I hope that helps some people. I noticed online there were a lot of people that had this same problem. So anyway, just thought I'd share.